Hey guys, it's Seth here, and I'm going to run this Kubota KX61-2 mini excavator. We're going to start up and run and operate it, and then we'll go around and look at the components. Okay guys, I'm going to start the engine up here and we're going to look at that. So as you can tell, the engine, it runs good. Everything runs good on the engine. There's no leaks or anything, as you can see there. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you. Okay guys, I'll walk around this machine here. Here's your stick. It's plumbed out, the stick you can see here, for a small hydraulic thumb or something like that. On both sides. You have your boom. It's all in nice shape. The light, it works, working light out there. Here's your joints and everything. They're nice, they're tight, in good condition. You can see there, the blade's all in very nice shape. The cylinders all work well, they don't leak. You can see here. Here's your track. On the left side, if you're sitting in the machine, the track's in very nice shape. It's like new, the undercarriage is nice, in good shape. You can tell it's scratched up around the edges some, because it's been used obviously, but nothing major. See right here. There's the track on the right side. If you're sitting in the machine, it's like new. Everything is the same on both sides of the undercarriage. It works good. You have your fuel cap here. This is your seat. There's a tear, there's a couple little tears in the seat, as you can see. All the controls are in nice shape. Machine has 877 hours on the meter. Gauges work and everything. All the controls work well. The ROPS is in nice shape. It's operating good there. So it's a good running and operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thank you.